OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. Did you know that OneCNC provides a command in which you can easily shell a solid model? For example, to shell, all you need to do is head over to the Command Manager, select your Model Tools, and from there, select Shelling. Within the Shelling dialog box, you first want to tell OneCNC whether you want to shell inwards or outwards. In this example, let's shell inwards. Let's use a wall thickness of 50 thousandths, and let's remove a face. We're going to click OK, and now all we need to do is tell OneCNC which face we'd like to remove. I'd like to remove this face, so I'm going to left click and then right hand mouse click. Once we do this, OneCNC has successfully shelled the solid model, and we have a constant wall thickness of 50 thousandths. OneCNC CAD CAM Made Easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.